Don't take my heart if you got nothing to give me. Don't you take my soul if you got nothing to say.
Yeah, so our food philosophy at Hentley Farm has been an interesting kind of journey, for use of a better word. Trees and picking fruit is something that goes well back into my childhood. Randomly one summer spotted this mulberry tree because you can kind of see the colour of the berries. Eventually I was sort of just picking over the fence. Didn't know much about Hentley Farm at all. Little did I know I'd be here sort of 15 years later cooking with those mulberries, having them as part of the menu and kind of telling that story. I guess growing up in this region gave me the advantage that when I came back, I sort of already had the connections and kind of knew the little hotspots for produce and where to go and pick mulberries or where to go and find figs on someone's maybe private property, but you'd sort of just let yourself in the gate. So for me, it's kind of this, like, what a beautiful part of the world and a beautiful view and a lovely setup. And I'm the only one there enjoying it. I think it's very special to be able to have that. So our philosophy really is let the produce kind of dictate what's happening to us, what we're cooking with, what we're doing in the kitchen. And the journey has been that's been really difficult. You don't actually get this sort of, I'm just going to order strawberries and they're going to arrive. You've literally got to go check your own strawberries that you're growing or talk to the people that are growing strawberries for you. But then once you get used to it, it means you're utilizing things better and you're probably telling a better story and you're using things when they're in their absolute peak. So coming to Hentley Farm, we had an opportunity to work with our winemaker Andrew Quinn. And again, it's using produce from the region. So the grapes are growing outside all year round. And then by the time that wine is in the restaurant, we've kind of had the dish that goes with it. And the whole story is more connected. I like it where it's kind of produce meeting produce. So grapes meeting cabbages. So that's kind of, I think, the blessing and the joy of country living and getting produce from around you. Probably the best job I've ever had.